Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the problem. Use len and trim to compare lengths, because a shorter trim result means extra spaces. Once done, check the first character with left or code to rule out non-breaking spaces or tabs. Those need different handling. Make sure to copy original cells into a backup column so you can revert if something goes wrong. Now that you've confirmed leading spaces exist, proceed to apply formulas or functions that will clean them without altering the original dataset. Now you execute the cleaning. Enter equals trim, A1 to remove standard leading and trailing spaces, copy down as needed. If trim doesn't fix it, you probably have non-breaking spaces. Use substitute with char 160 wrapped in trim, equals trim, substitute, A1 char 160. Additionally, control characters like line breaks need clean before trimming, so use equals trim, clean, A1 to combine effects. Once your formulas look correct, convert formulas to values to finalize the cleaned column. Finish by selecting the cleaned column, copy, then paste special values to lock in results. This prevents formulas from shifting when you delete the original. If you prefer a quick manual cleanup, use find and replace to remove specific characters. Remember to replace non-breaking spaces using alt codes or by pasting the special character into the find box. If things still look odd, inspect characters with code across positions to spot hidden characters. Once identified, substitute them and repeat the trim workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.